Emerald Pool Trail. Here hiking the Emerald Pools Trail. Here we're at Emerald Pools. We're at the Emerald Pool. This is the lower Emerald Pool. The middle pools. This is the trail to the upper pools, which is a little bit steeper than I had anticipated because the rest of the trail wasn't so much. But, and it says it's not very far. And it feels a little bit farther. Here at upper pool, it's a bit of a pool. We're coming down from the upper falls of the Emerald Pool. Actually, it said it's decently steep, but not terrible. I think it says it was only supposed to be like 0.3 miles to it, but I think it felt like more than 0.3. So we're taking the Grotto Trail from the Emerald Pools Trail. It cuts off. So we're heading over to Grotto Trail. On the Grotto Trail. Grotto Trail from the Emerald Pools. So this is the Weeping Rock Trail. Here at Weeping Rock. You can see for a little bit. We're at Weeping Rock. All the water just dripping right off. Yeah, going out to do the river walk at the beginning of Narrows. And we're probably not gonna really do much at all because the water will be so cold. How cold is it?
Not now, but they're trying to get used to it.
Yeah, it's cold. I hiked across the Narrows, but can't go up very far because I didn't bring my right shoes. And so I'm going barefoot, and the water is cold. So everybody else here, not everybody, but most people have on like dry suits or gaiters. But I just wanted to do at least a little bit. So again, walking in the Narrows. I don't have to walk in the water right here. Probably won't because it's cold. And yeah, I have bare feet. So anyways, but yeah, just short little hike. Definitely in April, you need better gear, or go on a warmer day when it's not in April. came down to we don't even know where we are. It was a little pull off, and then we have all these tiny little trails that aren't really trails. And it seems a little stuck. Rim trail, and when we got here there's only one other car, and this is literally right inside the east entrance of Zion. We're not gonna go the whole way because it's like I think 10 miles one way, so we just came out to hike something pretty and quiet, heading down the east rim. We came out to come look at the stars. Video doesn't do it any justice. We're starting our hike up to Angel's Landing. Haven't reached the Walters Wiggles yet. Oh. We're about a quarter of the way up. Pretty tired. No, I know, but I'm guessing it may be a quarter because there's no way. We have a ton more to do. We made it to Walters Wiggles. We made it up, Walters Wiggles. Here's Angel's Landing. There we go. This is the very beginning of the official Angel's Landing. Whew. It's pretty narrow. There's the real Angel's Landing, and that looks super narrow. So we've made it past the part where you have to have a permit, but took some pictures here. Doesn't really do justice for how narrow that is.
I am pretty proud of myself. I really wasn't too nervous.
We are nearing the top of Angel's Landing. Over there, like all that narrow part, is part of the Angel's Landing. And then that's like Scout's Landing back into it a little bit. A beautiful view. It's amazing. There's some change we gotta go up. I think we're almost there. I think this might be the summit trace. This is the end of our uphill, because this is the summit to Angel's Landing. Tracy, summit shot. Almost here. All right, summit shot. All right, we just did Angel's Landing. We're just getting ready to head back down the trail. Whew. I think this is the worst one. Isn't that what they said? really see, but yeah, there's a big step across that it's pretty far down. Yeah, it's pretty narrow. All right, coming down. It's Walter's Wiggles. I'm glad that we did not have to come up this in the sunshine. But it is hard on the knees on the way down. So even though it's not Walter's Wiggles, there are a ton of switchbacks before you get to Walter's Wiggles. Still more switchbacks. And then the trail drag us back. On our way up, we thought this might have been Walter's Wiggles because there were still so many switchbacks. Felt like it, but yeah, it's not. So we just came down from Angel's Landing, and it is so hot. So we're here putting our feet in the river. It's so cold. My feet are numb. So, thoughts about Angel's Landing. Totally 100% worth it. There were definitely some sketchy places where I was feeling nervous, but my sister here said,
it wasn't as bad as I thought, and I don't like heights a lot, but it wasn't bad.
So I think going up for me personally was scarier. Coming down wasn't as bad, and coming down was faster. But I don't know how much of that is just because it was a little bit easier versus how much was because there weren't as many people to pass as we were coming down, and going up there was a lot more people, so we had to stop and wait a little bit more often. Great hike. Great hike. Oh, I'm taking video.
Oh, you're videoing?
Okay, they're dorks.
It's a status symbol. The longer your selfie. Oh wow. Oh man, look at that. Oh my god.
Yeah. I never seen it.